Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive machine out. Now if you've been watching the progression of this machine, I've been building it basically from a brushed XL5 model all the way up to now it's brushless, and I just also switched over the TQI transmitter out of my 1/16 Revo. So this now has TSM. I cut down the antenna a little bit shorter. I had to glue the cap on. The cap would not stay on, so I had to glue that. The most recent upgrade I did is I broke the rear shock tower the last time I had this RC out, and I had to replace it. So I got these Atomik RC ones. They're nice gray aluminum, same as the front. They did not fit right though. They were not a good fit, let's put it that way. But yeah, I'm gonna rip it in the snow with the two-wheel drive Slash. It has got the Badlands on it. It of course does have the VXL3 SESC in it now, and it has the 3500 kV motor, and this thing's a ripper. I think we got it recorded with the GPS on it, 51 miles per hour. It might be able to go a little bit faster than that. It does have the 23-tooth pinion on, and it has a 86-tooth spur gear, and we're running a 5,000 milliamp 50C discharge rate 3-cell LiPo with a TRX plug. So let's go ahead and jump right into running this thing, guys. Ready? Get set, go! Whoa, she's a ripper. Ooh, landed right side up. This is where you could really use four-wheel drive. Look at those tires ballooning. Drifting around. Another launch. Two-wheel drive life. Even with the Badlands, guys, can't really grip up on this. Let's take it on the road real quick. Wow. Okay, there is somebody coming, so I'm gonna go down over here. This is where we had issues going up and down this hill right here, guys. But that was before we went brushless. So now that we're brushless, hopefully we can just power our way up this. Just ripping through the snow right now. Just ripping. Okay, I'm really on the throttle. And it can make it, but yeah, it definitely has a difficult time making it up that. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up, guys, if you're liking this content. What do you think? We've changed the two-wheel drive Slash quite a bit. Now it's a brushless monster. It's just tearing through the grass, through the snow. Ooh, it's ice right there. Right there, it's ice. Got it powered up again. Come on. Ooh, it's not making it, guys. Try again. Build up a bunch of speed. Okay, guys, so with a ton of speed, you can get up this hill, which is pretty darn steep, but without it, you can't really. Ooh, it's not getting the grip to wheelie. Let's jump it over this. rip it over there, guys. It does pretty well, except for when you're in the really tall grass. When you're in the really tall grass, then it does struggle a little bit. Oh, there it does. Once it gets traction, guys, it just lifts up those wheels like no problem. Ooh, I got hit. Got pelted. Oh. Turn it around, bring it back. Whoa! Oh, whoa! See how much better this thing handles, guys, with the low center of gravity? Ooh, did we hit low voltage mode? Looks like we hit low voltage mode, guys. But yeah, like I was talking about, guys, this thing handles so much better with the low center of gravity chassis. Night and day. Whoa! There it flipped. It did flip there, but it's so much more fun, guys, with the brushless system. With this brushless system, it's a complete animal, guys. Whoa! She's a ripper. Yeah, it does struggle a little bit in the snow, but it's really not too bad. Oh, I hit a stick. I hit a stick. Yeah, it struggles on the uphill. So right there, I'm on an uphill. It's spinning, spinning, spinning. There, I got up. Ripping it. Spinning the tires. It just can't get traction. Look at those Badlands. Like it cannot get the traction, guys. And I'm gonna bring it over the snow pile. You can't really see the snow pile, it's so white. Whoa! See, but then getting back up, and you can't go slow and do it either. So just trying to give you a little bit of throttle does not work either. Yeah, definitely noticeable difference between this and a four-wheel drive machine. It's a little bit more gradual but uphill right here, so I can make it back up right there. I kind of want to take it with a bunch of speed, guys. What do you guys think? There's a vehicle coming now. Gosh, there's always a vehicle coming. Let's bring it. Ooh! Ooh! And we're upright. We're upright. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. I mean, the four-wheel drive Slash is a lot better than this in the snow, but could do a lot worse. With the brush system in this, guys, I bet you it wouldn't even be able to get through the snow. Even just this little bit. It's just like a dusty of snow. It would not be able to get through the snow if I had the brush system. Whoa! Whoa!